Say Selenium class 45 software testing project part 2 software testing project part 2. Okay. Say first once again I will display the index. Next third topic onwards we will discuss in detailed manner. Observe the index. First one project information. Project information. Next second one project description. Project description. Next third one, just a minute, project. Next third one, stakeholders of the project. Stakeholders of the project. Next fourth one, interfaces of the project. Interfaces of the project, or you can say application under test. Interfaces of the project or application under test. Can you continue, Smriti Pandey? What is the next one?
Sir, I don't remember actually.
Preeti Joshi. What is the next one? Preeti Joshi not responding. Sirisha. What is the next
Hello,
one?
sir.
What is the next one? Yesterday indexed. Project information, description, stakeholders of the project, interfaces of the project. Next.
Yes. Just to
Yes.
interface.
Yes. Features to be tested. Features to be tested in admin interface. Just a minute. In admin. Just a minute. Interface. Admin interface. Next, features to be tested in user interface. Features to be tested in user interface. Next, seventh one, general
Test
topic.
requirements.
General topic, test requirements, case study. Requirements.
Yes, sir.
Next,
Test scenarios. And test cases.
Good. We derive test scenarios from test requirements and test cases from test scenarios. Link is there. Linking test cases. Next, eighth one, derive smoke test cases. Basic functionality tests on initial build. Smoke test cases for admin interface. Next, derive
smoke test cases for user interface.
Good. Smoke test cases for user interfaces. Okay. Next one, derive
comprehensive test cases for admin interface.
Good. Derive comprehensive means complete. or you can say all possible, all possible, all possible test cases for admin interface, admin interface. Next,
Derive
derive,
comprehensive test
derive
cases,
comprehensive test cases for user
user
interface,
interface.
user
Yes.
interface, user interface. Okay, this is the our project index. This is the index. Just a minute. First two, observe Srisha. First two we discussed yesterday na. Project information and project description. Take the
Yes,
third
sir.
one. Take the third one. Simple one. What is that one? Stakeholders of the project.
Stakeholders of the project.
Stakeholders of the project. What is stakeholder in this project orientation, software project orientation? Whoever
Whoever impact the
impacts the
project
project, whoever impacts the
or
project are
impacted by the project.
impacted by the project, they are called stakeholders. Okay,
Stakeholders.
see development point of view, so many stakeholders. Suppose software developer stakeholders, testers. Testers also involved in software development, not software development. Our software testing is part of software development life cycle, one of the phase. So soft development point of view, software developers are stakeholders, software testers are stakeholders, business analyst, next project management and customer also. But I'm going to explain in production environment point of view, not development environment, production environment point of view. Then you can easily understand the purpose of application. Production environment point of view, stakeholders. One is web portal developer. Already I told, online shopping has two types of applications. One is manufacturers only develop their own sites for selling. Sorry, manufacturers only develop online shopping websites for selling their products. Next one, some web developers or third party developers develop online shopping portals and they provide interface between manufacturers and customers. This is second type one. Here, what are the stakeholders? Web portal developer, one or more developer. Okay. Next, manufacturers. Next, financial service providers. Next, distributors of the manufacturers. Next, courier service. Courier service providers and customers. Customers. Okay. General users come under customers. General user, or you can general user means registered user. Next, guest user also. Guest user also. Observe. Now you come. Vijay Bhairappa. Vijay come. Who are the stakeholders of the project? Production environment point of view. See, production environment, production environment point of view. Vijay not responding. Okay. Preeti Joshi, Jyotirmayi. Okay, people not responding and joining lately, daily from last 4 5 days. You come Smriti Pandey.
Yes, sir.
Stakeholders of the project.
Sir, web portal developer.
Yes, web portal. Web portal developer. One person or multiple persons. Okay. Next, manufacturers. Manufacturers. One or more manufacturers. Continue Smriti Pandey. Manufacturers. Next, financial. Financial service. Service providers. Providers.
Courier
Next,
service providers.
distributors. See, distributors. Distributors of the manufacturers. Distributors of the manufacturers. Next, courier service providers for product shipping and returns, etc. Courier service. Courier service providers. Next, sixth one, general customers. Customers. In this customers, general customers. General means guests without account, and registered with the application. Registered customers. Okay, now, Jyoti not responding today. Jyoti, are you following? Are any confusion? Not responding. Preeti, are you following? Preeti Joshi. Vijay. Vijay. Okay. Okay. You come, Smriti Pandey. Smriti Pandey.
Yes,
This third one, okay na, Smriti Pandey, stakeholders of the project, production
yes, sir.
environment point of view.
Yes, sir.
Okay na? Next, come to fourth one. Fourth one. What is the fourth one? Interfaces. Interfaces of the project. Interfaces of the project. Or you can say application under test. See, we already discussed. You take any software application, then we will have two interfaces. One is admin interface for maintaining the application, for application maintenance. Another is user interface for conducting specific business operations. This one also same. Observe Smriti, observe.
Yes,
Just a minute. This application has, just a minute, has two interfaces. This application has two interfaces. What are the two interfaces? One is admin interface. Actually, this application name is GCR Shop. GCR Shop is application name. URL is different, name is different. For example, observe Smriti. Observe the title, left side
yes,
top. What it is
yes,
showing?
sir. GCR shop.
Title showing na. This is
Yes, sir.
admin interface. Next, go to user interface. What it is showing? Same title na. Both
Yes,
interfaces, both are come under GCR shop application. Application name is GCR shop. Okay, just a minute. GCR shop admin interface. Admin interface. GCR shop admin interface. What is the purpose of admin interface, Smriti? Application
Maintenance.
maintenance. Maintenance. Maintenance of the application. Observe carefully. Maintenance of the application. Maintenance of the application. Observe. Vijay. Vijay, are you there? Vijay not responding.
Sir, sir, good
Okay.
morning, sir.
Good
There was
morning.
some
Good morning.
network hiccup, sir.
Okay,
Sorry.
cool, cool. Bala Subramanyam, are you there? Bala Subramanyam.
Yes, sir, I am here, sir.
Okay, cool. Cool, Bala Subramanyam. Now observe Vijay. You come, Vijay. All of you put mute except Vijay. Maintenance of the application. Next, same GCR shop. GCR shop. User interface. User interface. What is the purpose of user interface? What is the purpose of user interface?
Connect business operations.
To conduct specific. Here specific means online shopping. Online shopping. Just a minute. Specific business operations. Business operations. Okay. Now you put mute, Vijay. Some noise coming from your side. You come Balasubramaniam for some time. Balasubramaniam.
Yes, sir.
Usually, not only in this application, usually in software application admin interface, module names may vary from one application to another, but concept or purpose same. Master data. Do you know, Balasubramaniam, what is master data? Sirisha, what is master data? Important one. Required data for running the application. Required data for running the application. Say admin user provides master data in admin interface. Observe, Srisha. Suppose ours is online banking system. Suppose if it is new system, only functionalities, no data. Suppose ours is new system, newly deployed, no data, only application functionalities, no data. That time, how can you perform functionalities? Master data required. See, admin user enters this master data in admin interface. For example, bank information. Next, banking products information. Banking products. Suppose accounts are banking products. Loans are banking products. Fixed deposits, or you can say term deposits, are banking products. Next, branch locators. Next, ATM locators, interest rates, etc. Loan formalities, etc. if the admin user enters this data, this master data in admin interface, then user in user interface, end users, not single, end users in user interface perform business operations using that master data. Otherwise, they cannot perform anything. Getting this point, Sirish, or any confusion?
Got it, sir.
And one more thing, observe. I will
Understood, sir.
Good, cool. What about you, Balasubramaniam? Balasubramaniam. Did you understand?
Yes, sir. Got it. Yeah, understand.
See, observe.
Sir, these are pre-required data to perform the operation, sir.
Yes. Required data. Yes, pre-required. Otherwise, you cannot perform. Suppose if it is a raw system, suppose no loans information, no term deposits information, no accounts information, how can you conduct your business operation? Suppose if it is banking system. Say in banking application, suppose just a minute, internet banking application, observe Smriti, add bank with address, add bank info. Suppose our bank having 200 branches. We need to enter that data, that master data. Add bank info, next branches, next ATMs, next products. Suppose loans are bank products, term deposits are bank products. Observe this real-time term, banking products. Loans are banking products. Term deposits are banking products, etc. Suppose insurance products. Policies are insurance products. Health insurance, next life insurance, vehicle insurance. All those are insurance products. Next, bank history, bank theory, text, bank history, etc. Vijay, are you following the master data? It is required for every application.
Yes, sir, following, sir.
This is master data. Next, you know the thing, maintenance of the application. Next, some interface details. Observe Sirisha, admin interface. Say I'm providing admin interface to you now. Login details required for accessing user interface. No login details required. Why? Anybody can launch user interface. Guest users also launch. Guest users can launch the user interface. Suppose if you want to perform buying process, add to cart and buy. Add to cart also guest user can perform. If you want to buy products, then user details required. For that, you can create, means you can register with free of cost also, but in admin interface we cannot create. Usually developers provide that details. In some applications, this is not full, already I told this is not full-fledged application. In real-time applications, we have a facility to create, edit and delete admin users also. In some applications, we can find super admins like also, like that. Say login details, login details. Just a minute. Login details. You know the URL, Sirisha? URL. Just a minute. URL of the application. Admin. Just a minute. Admin. Admin. Observe, Sirisha.
Yes,
This
sir.
is this is our admin. This is our admin interface URL. Usually in real time, if it is intranet application or internet application in production, but we conduct testing in intranet environment only most of the time. Some 10% live testing may be on internet environment. That is rare. Depends upon the application as well as customer interest. Observe this point, most of the time we conduct testing, web application testing. If it is intranet application, means private application, or internet application, public application, we conduct testing on intranet environment only. Okay. There is no
Yes, sir.
difference between intranet and internet for accessing the application. Using browser only we can access the web pages. Okay. And one more thing, developers deploy our system admin or network administrator like technical support people deploy our application in our company's server and they provide URL to testing team. Suppose like this. Suppose this is my admin interface. Try to understand the things. Here some common things. HTTP. Vijay, what is HTTP? General understanding. What is HTTP?
It's a
HTTP, yes
protocol, sir.
also there. That is yes for security.
Security.
Suppose in
Security.
Google,
Yes, sir.
you can find HTTP, yes, that is yes for security. What is basic HTTP?
Hypertext transfer protocol, and it's a protocol, sir.
Yes, hypertext. Hypertext transfer. Hypertext transfer protocol. Just a minute. Protocol. Next, www. What is www? Actually, if it is intranet application, no www. Our local server path. But this application deployed in internet, that's why www. But for intranet, no www. See, worldwide web. Worldwide web. Worldwide web. Just a minute. Next, observe Smriti. Observe gcrit.com. What is gcrit.com? Web domain. See, yesterday we discussed software domains. Banking, insurance, ERP, etc. Those are software domains. This is web domain. Web domain. Or you can say web address. Web address. Next, what is build 3? Build 3. Subramaniam. What is build 3? gcrit.com/3. What is the build 3? Sirisha, what is the build 3?
Is it a
Subdomain,
folder or subcategory?
subdomain.
Subdomain is different. Subdomain is different. It is folder.
Folder.
It is folder. Remember the terms. This is folder. Next, admin. What is this admin? subfolder, subfolder. Next, all of you put down subfolder. Next, observe Smriti. Observe here. Suppose, just a minute, on news web portal, tupaki.com. Just a minute. News web portal, suppose English. Observe this one, Smriti Pandey.
Yes.
Here, tupaki.com. What is this tupaki.com?
Sir, it's a web domain.
Web domain. What is this? Is web domain. Suppose what is this English? English.tupaki. What is this English? Next, subdomain. See, what is the functional? What is the use of subdomain? What is the use of folders, subfolders? That is not our syllabus. That is technical, required for web developers. You just know what is what enough. But you no need to go in depth. What is the functionality of subdomain? What is the functionality of folder? What is the difference between subdomain and folder? Like, just recognize the things. Okay. Next, observe. Just a minute. Observe. Sirisha, observe. Suppose this is also
Yes.
web portal. Great Andhra. Here also, this one. Telugu
Telugu
dot.
is the subdomain.
Just a minute. Here also Telugu dot. What is this Telugu?
It's subdomain. sir.
Subdomain. Okay, and one more thing, observe, Sirisha. Suppose GCR IT build 3, suppose this one, observe this one. Okay, .html or PHP. Now in this scenario, this login PHP. What is this login PHP? Sirisha, what is this login PHP?
Web page.
Web page. Just a minute. GC Reddy. Just a minute. Observe, page names may be lengthy. Here HTML, hypertext markup language. Observe, Sirisha. What is
Yes,
this
sir.
Java interview questions and answers .html?
This is also a web page. sir.
Web page. Yes, this is also web page. Now, okay now, Smriti Pandey, did you understand? Web domain, subdomain, folder,
Yeah.
subfolder, and web page. Okay na?
Yes, sir, it's clear, sir.
Okay, cool. Now come to
Sir, so after folder and subfolder, so page will be displayed, no, sir. Means what page we are accessing, we are trying to
Yes.
access, or we are trying to
yes,
perform the operation or what.
yes. Suppose your page in main domain, it will display like that. Observe here. Main domain, it will display. Suppose under subdomain, web domain slash subdomain slash page. Suppose under subdomain, main domain, subdomain, subdomain, sorry, main domain, folder, subfolder, slash page. That is one.
Page.
Another one, suppose subfolder dot main domain slash page. Any problem?
No, sir. Just wanted to confirm, sir.
Now come to user details. In this one, username. Observe Vijay, good question. That pages on, observe like this. Web domain slash, just understanding, web page. Okay, something dot html, etc. This is one. Next, web domain. Next, slash means folder only. Folder, web page. Folder, web page. Next, observe Vijay. Next, web domain, folder, subfolders may have web pages. Subfolder, web page. Next, subdomain, next, main domain means web domain slash web page. Any confusion, Vijay? Did you understand the concept?
Yeah, sir.
Now,
Understood, sir. There's so many options.
so many possibilities. Okay. Now come. Just a minute. In our also gcrit.com. gcrit.com. Here also folder. This one is page. Next, observe Tupaki. Suppose English. Now observe Vijay. Suppose now observe so many. Observe Vijay. English.
Yes, sir.
What is English? Subdomain na.
Subdomain, sir. Subdomain.
Tupaki.com main domain na.
Main domain, sir.
Political news folder na.
Folder.
See, in this you can find subdomain and folders. Say if they have lot of content, they segregate like this. Then you can easily search engines like Google can easily look at that content. Political news is folder. Observe Srisha.
Subfolder.
Political news is folder. Article is subfolder. Next, this one. Here no HTML like, but this is page. Subramanian
Page.
Swami sensational comments on Rajnikant like 52175. This is page, web page.
Sir,
Okay, na?
That is ID, sir.
Pardon, it is not ID. That is page number by web application. This is not controlled by user, and no need to bother about this one.
Okay, sir.
This is static. This is fixed. Hello?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, cool. Observe Balasubramaniam. Username, you know, admin. Next, password.
Admin
Admin at
at
123. Okay, this is a brief introduction about our user interface. Now come to okay, Subramaniam. I will call you later. You come. I will call you later, Subramaniam. I will call you later. I think Sirisha and Smriti Pandey systems not making any noise, but Vijay system, Jyotirmai today not responding. Jyotirmai system also making noise. Okay, you come, Sirisha. Sirisha.
Sir, I am here, sir. Jyotirmay is here.
Okay, why you are not responding? I called so many times now at the beginning of the
I was late.
session.
No, sir, I was 5 minutes late actually.
After you joined also, I called several times. You can observe this video recording. Okay.
Oh, no, sir. First, I tried different laptops, so that sound was not coming, so
Okay,
I
cool.
disconnected.
Okay, cool. You come, Jyotirmai. Okay, Sirisha, I will call you later. Sirisha several times joined, not joined, several times participated, contributed.
Okay, sir.
Next, Jyotirmai, you come. User
Yes, sir.
interface. You know the user interface. What is the purpose of user interface? To conduct business operations. What are the business operations in our user interface side? What are the business operations? Just guess, not guessing. You know that one. What are the important
Yes,
business operations? Observe.
I played buying the product.
View products na. View also
View
one of
products.
the. I am viewing this one.
Yes, sir.
I am
First
this
viewing.
view. I am viewing this product. Product image. Okay, forget about image. Some products may not have images, but title, cost, I'm
Cost. Yeah.
viewing. View
View.
product. Next, search product. Search
Search
product.
products.
Here you can search. You can search the product. Next, with more parameters, you can conduct advanced search also. Advanced search also. Next, if you want, you can buy products.
Buy products.
Before buying products, register and login.
Okay, we can register.
Sometime here two navigations available. First register, then log into the application, then add to cart and payment process, buy the product. Otherwise, first choose the product, add to cart, then buy the product. While buying the product, it asks login. Then you can register and log in. Register means it will log in by default, but that is not the proper way. First register. Observe the sequence.
Either way, we need to register, no, sir?
First, yes. Guest user can view the products only, not buy the products.
So
Observe.
without registering, we can't buy the product.
We can't buy the product. See, here, what are the important things? View. View. View product. View products, one or more. View products.
Search products.
Search products. Suppose that products not available in the general navigation, then search for the products. Suppose general search also not working for you. If you know the more parameters, then go for advanced search. You know what is advanced search? In most of the web applications, you can find this one. Advanced search product. After that, customer or user or guest registration. registration with free of cost. Then log into the application. Observe Jyotirmayi. Log
Yes, sir.
into application. Then choose just small operations. Choose products, one or more. After selecting, later you can edit product quantity. Next you can
Yeah.
delete some products from your cart
Add
also.
product, delete product.
Choose
Yeah.
product. Next
Add product.
add to cart.
Cart.
Next buy. Simple. Buy products. Next track. In this application, no track orders, but in real time track orders also there. You can observe. Otherwise, nowadays some applications, Amazon, eBay, Flipkart, Snapdeal like applications, sending your status daily or frequently to your email. But by logging to your application, if it is Snapdeal or Flipkart, you can get your order status. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Order track, order one or more, status. Next in real written
We can
product,
return the product
if not satisfied,
if you don't.
etc. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Here, what is our URL? Observe this one.
HTTP.
HTTP up to build 3.
Build it.
Here, I will provide one small note. Observe Jyoti. No restrictions. No restrictions. Anybody can use, just a minute. Anybody can use this interface. Anybody can use this interface as a guest or general user, but if you want to buy the product, just a minute. All of you put mute except Jyotirmayi. Buy the products, then you need to register. Then you need to register. Register is free. Register and login. Any problem, Jyotirmayi? Any problem?
No, sir. No,
Okay.
sir. I am good.
Okay na? Okay. Now, okay, you put mute for some time, Jyotirmayi. Preeti Joshi, are you there? Preeti Joshi also not responding today. Preeti Joshi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool, Preeti Joshi. At the beginning of the session, you didn't respond. That's why I'm asking. Next, come to the next point, Preeti Joshi. You come, Preeti Joshi. Contribute for this fifth one. What is this one? What is the fifth one?
Sir, didn't reply to you.
Pardon?
I'm sorry, sir.
Okay. What is this fifth one, Smriti? Sirisha can answer it. Fifth one.
Features to be tested.
Yes, features.
To be tested.
Yes, sir. Features to be tested in admin interface.
Good. Features to be tested in admin interface. Okay, na? Now come Preeti Joshi. Observe. Say, actually, feature is one flavor of the requirement. Like, just a minute. Suppose go to your admin. Go to admin interface. Just a minute. Go to admin. Observe here. Launch the application one feature. Observe Preeti Joshi. Launch the application
Yes,
one
sir.
feature, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
With valid URL. Suppose application is launching or not by documenting test cases and executing test cases, we can confirm that is different. Observe launching the application. Next, admin login to. Observe admin login to the application. See, just theoretical business point of view. Admin login to the application. Next, observe Preeti. One more functionality, one more feature also there. Redirect operation from admin to user interface. Click this online catalog. Click this online catalog. Now redirecting to user interface, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Next, observe. Add edit. We have to write different test cases. That is different. Okay, but I'm providing single feature example. Add, edit, delete manufacturers. Add first manufacturer. Add, edit, delete manufacturers. Add, edit, delete categories. Add, edit, delete products. Next, add, edit, delete and set as default currency. Next, user and product reports and track status. These are the important features. Any other? Preeti Joshi. These are the important features, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now, write down. Tell me one by one important features. Actually, in test plan document, we mentioned this one. This is just non-technical form. Okay. Next, launch. Now can you tell me, Preeti, suppose feature, what is the difference between feature and test scenario? Which one is superior? Feature is superior. Test scenario only testing point of view.
Yes, sir.
Feature based on requirement. It has to fulfill feature. Okay, and one more thing. You take one small assignment, Preeti Joshi. I want difference between application feature, theoretical. I want difference between application feature and test scenario. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Launch the application. Sometimes externally both are same but not same. Feature is general, test scenario only testing point of view. Okay, next, continue Preeti Joshi, continue this one. Features to be tested, launch the application, continue.
Valid user ID or password?
Okay, valid user ID or password. Admin, I'm not taking. Observe, that is the core difference. I'm not taking positive scenarios, negative scenarios with valid input and invalid input. Just a feature. What is my feature? Login is my feature. Application feature.
Yes. Yes.
Developers have to implement this one. For that, you can write positive scenarios, negative scenarios in order to conduct positive and negative testing and confirm my feature. That is different. Getting? But here, no negative features. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Admin login. This is feature, not test scenario. If it is test scenario, you can say like that. Positive scenarios, negative scenarios.
And
Suppose login. Admin login to application with valid username and password. That is positive scenario. Next, admin login to application with invalid input, negative scenario, and we have to write positive test case and negative test cases. Observe. Anyhow, that I will explain in seventh topic. Anyhow, positive scenarios only one for any feature. Observe Preeti. Positive scenario and positive test case only one for any feature. Admin login. For example, positive test scenario, admin login with valid username and password or valid input. Suppose negative scenarios multiple. Admin login with valid password and valid username and invalid password. Next, second negative. Admin login with invalid username and valid password. Third one, admin login with invalid username and invalid password, like that. Okay. Admin login to application. This is the feature. Observe, Preeti Joshi. Here, no negative concept. Next, redirect. Redirect operation. Redirect operation from admin to user interface. A redirect operation from admin to user interface. Next, fourth one, add. Add is one feature, edit is one feature, deleting is one feature, but I am writing in single line. Observe. But you have to write in separate features. Delete, addition, updation, just a minute, and deletion, add, edit, delete, manufacturers. Next, not manufacturers, one at a time. So manufacturer is the correct. Next, add, edit, just a minute, add, edit, delete, add, edit, delete, categories. Next, add, edit, delete, add, edit, delete, products, but one by one. Next, just a minute. Next, add, edit, just a minute. Add, edit, next, delete. Next, one more functionality also there, set as default currency. Next, user wise and product wise, product reports and track reports, etc. See, this is the these are the important features in this one admin interface. You come Vijay, features to be tested in user interface. Features to be tested in user, just a minute, in user interface. I think all of you familiar with this user interface, Vijay. Several times we navigated that one. Observe Vijay. Suppose GCR IT build 3, this is user interface. Okay, launch the application. Next, view products. Next, search products. Next, advanced search. Next, just a minute, customer registration. Next, suppose if already registered,
viewing
customer
products,
login. Next, buy
viewing products.
product. Okay, these are the things. Observe Vijay. First, just a minute. First one, launch the application. Okay, this URL, this interface, launch the application. Next, view products, one or more, view products, one or more. Next, search products. Next, advanced search products. Next, customer registration, or you can say user registration. Next, customer or user login. All of you put mute Vijay. Mute, sometimes some noise coming from your side. Customer login. Now observe Sirisha. This one important one. Buy products. One or more, Sirisha. One or more. Here, Sirisha, two or three different navigations are there. Combination of functionalities. Observe. Suppose one of the navigation, login plus choose product. For this one, no test case required. You can select. Choose means select product, select
Yes.
product. After selecting product, you can update quantity, suppose 2 units or 3 units, like suppose delete, suppose you don't want some products, suppose you selected 5 products, then at the end you want only 3 products, so delete product. Next, delete product.
Checkout.
Anything else? Suppose address details are there, change. It will provide edit address also. Change the details. Suppose you are in new address, like change the details. Continue, Sirisha. Change the details. Next, just a minute. Select payment option. Select payment option.
Checkout, sir.
Yes. Just a minute, Sirisha. Just a minute. Okay. Common. Next, checkout also good. Checkout. Check out. This is one sequence. Sometimes you just select the product, update the quantity, and try to check out. That time it asks login. Suppose if you don't have login, you can register that time also. That is alternate navigation. Next, in
Yes.
real time, just a minute. This one, reports.
Sir, one question.
Just a minute. Track order status, etc. Tell me, Jyotirmai, what is your problem?
Sir, before checkout, we need to add that product to the cart, right, sir?
Yes.
Add to the cart.
Yes, add to the cart means selecting the product. Add to cart means selecting the product. What is the problem?
No, sir. No, sir. After selecting all the products, we will add everything to the cart, right?
No. Select one by one. Select one by one means adding to cart only. Observe here. Suppose I want this product.
Yeah.
Click this product. Here add to cart. Now one product.
Yeah, we need to select that. Yeah.
Next, update. Suppose one quantity is enough. Update quantity. Update.
Yes, sir.
Now one product in the cart. Observe cart 1. Next, come to the main. Suppose another one. This cell phone.
Yeah.
Add to the cart. Suppose checkout not required. Just update. Why it is showing? Now this just a minute. Update. Remove facility also there. Just a minute. Cart 2 na.
Yes.
Then
That is also a feature.
if you want to check out, then it will ask login. Suppose before you log in, then it won't ask. See, now it is asking email. Any problem?
No, sir. Good. Thank you.
Welcome. Now, just a minute. Observe Vijay. Before moving to
Yes, sir.
come Preeti Joshi. 7th topic. Important one. General topic, Preeti Joshi. What is that one? 7th one.
My products.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Test requirements.
Features to be tested in user interface.
Features to be over. Features to be tested in user interface over. Then what is the problem?
Yes.
Over.
No problems.
Requirements. Test requirements. General topic. Next. test scenarios and test cases. General topic, important topic. If it is manual testing or automated testing, important one. Observe Preeti. You know this one. Business requirements. Generally, business analyst category person, business analyst documents business requirements in BRS document. BRS, business requirement specification. Actually, we call Preeti Joshi, we call requirements. Okay, but different flavors of requirements. We have different flavors of requirements. For example, business requirements. Say, business analyst like person gathers this type of requirements from customer. These business requirements are non-technical requirements called non-technical. Next, our software people or software design analyst like our software developer, any senior developer or software team lead like people convert that business requirements to software requirements. This is technical document. See, senior developers or system analyst like senior people converts this soft business requirements to another flavor, software requirements. You know the document name, requirements. What is the document name? Document name, Preeti?
It is business requirements document.
It is the document name. Second one, forget about first one. We are in second one.
Okay, software requirements.
Document software requirements.
SRS, sir.
SRS. Okay. Documents name. Document names may vary from one company to another, but these are standard names. This one, BRS. BRS. Say.
BRS or BRD also.
BRS. What I told. Software. Documents names may vary from one company to another. Sometimes one project to another, one country to another, maybe, but purpose same. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Next, deriving or converting business requirements to software requirements. Next, test requirements. Third flavor, test requirements. Observe, Sirisha, suppose one satellite application is there, embedded software for satellite operations. Can we test all operations of satellite? Suppose I want to test satellite launching. Next, after 4 kilometers, some operations. After 5 kilometers in the sky, some operations, like some example. Can we test before launching that satellite? Sirisha.
No, sir.
No, some are not testable.
Not possible.
Not possible.
Yes.
Not possible. Several environments required and expensive also. Okay.
Yes.
And one more thing. Suppose admin login is there in our application. Is it a testable requirement or not? Admin login.
Yes, sir.
Testable.
It's possible. Yes.
It is testable. Some are not testable. That time we just need to assume that one. Next, based on test requirements, Observe Jyotirmay scenarios, test scenarios, outlines.
Test scenarios. Yes, sir.
From test scenarios, here test scenarios, Jyotirmay,
Yes, sir.
we will have positive,
And negative.
positive and negative. I already told. Observe Smriti Pandey. I already told you take any scenario, positive scenario, single scenario, using valid input, but negative scenarios multiple, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Next, derive or document test cases.
Sir,
Test cases.
sir,
Tell me.
sir, one question, sir, just for the confirmation.
Uh,
Test requirements, means I do not get completely, sir. Like like you
Test
told, test
requirements
requirements
means
we cannot
testable
test.
requirements. Sometimes all requirements will be tested. Some already I told now, some
Okay.
satellite application is there. We cannot test
Yes, sir.
launching the satellite or after 4 kilometers, it has to release some some sub-satellite like that. We can't test before the launching. Why? Expensive, and setting up that environment also difficult. But suppose our online shopping application, log into the application, we can test that one. See, sometimes in general applications, all software requirements can be tested, can be testable, but
Okay,
in
sir.
some applications not testable. Getting?
Okay, sir. So what does that test requirements contain, sir? It contains features to be tested and
No.
features not to be
Test
tested. Both.
requirements means testable requirements. Suppose we have 1,000
Okay, only.
software requirements.
Okay.
In those 1,000 software requirements, suppose 920 testable, we mention those 920, but there is no primary difference between software requirements and test requirement. Based on SRS only we conduct testing. But why this test one? Just reducing the SRS, reducing the software requirements. Why? Some are not testable. Getting?
So okay, understood, sir. So test requirements, it is more making more clear only what
Yes.
testable
Yes. It is
be
as
required, sir.
like software requirements only. But in real time, in some companies, you cannot find this one. But
Ha,
the
sir.
purpose of test requirements means getting testable software requirements. Suppose some requirements are not testable, that time leave them.
Yes, sir.
Remaining only you mention that one. For those testable requirements only, we can prepare test scenarios and cases.
Scenarios.
Suppose if you
Yes, sir.
prepare cases for all requirements, all available requirements, suppose some are not, suppose 3% or 4% requirements are not testable, that time unnecessarily writing test scenarios and cases and collecting test data na.
Consuming time, sir. Yes, sir. Got it, sir. Got it, sir.
Positive.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Positive and negative. Just a minute. Positive and negative test cases.
Sir,
Ah,
sir, under the business requirement document, the functional requirement document and
yes,
system
that is
requirement
another
document
classification.
all
Don't mix
comes
this one.
under the.
Don't mix that one. That is another classification.
Okay, sir.
That is another
Okay, sir.
classification. I will explain in the next topic. Don't mix that one. And one more thing, observe.
Okay.
India population 125 crore. In this, suppose 62 crore male, 61 crore female. That is one classification. Suppose another classification. Suppose 90 crore people, Hindus. Suppose 17 crore Muslims, 5 crore Christians, 3 crore Sikhs. That is another. Suppose out of 125 Indian population, 35 crore, example, or 40 crore Hindi people, 10 crore Telugu, 9 crore Bengali. That is another classification. Getting this point?
Yes, sir.
That is another classification. Next, test data. Test data. And one more thing, Balasubramaniam, test data is required for some test cases, not all. Test data, input data, test data required for some test cases only. This is one classification. Now observe Preeti Joshi. Now I am taking this test requirements, or you can take software requirements also. No difference between software requirements and test requirements. Both are same, but we reduce the software requirements. We mention only testable. Suppose in our application all are testable, then there is no difference between software requirements and text requirements. Getting this point, Jyotirmay? Suppose in my application 100 software requirements, all 100 can be tested. That time there is no difference between software requirements and test requirements, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now observe, Preeti, you asked, na? You only come, Preeti. In another classification, Preeti, our software requirements or test requirements. Forget about business. Okay, in that business requirements also same classification, but we no need to consider business requirements. Why? That is non-technical form. For software testing, we use technical form of requirements like software requirements or test requirements. Okay, just a minute. Software requirements. Don't confuse this one. Some are not using this test requirement, but this is complete sense. Here, observe, Preeti, functional requirements, next, non-functional again, several subtypes. Non-functional requirements. Okay, na Preeti? Next, non-functional several.
Yes, sir.
Several subtypes. Suppose performance requirements. Next, performance requirements. Next, usability. Just a minute. Usability requirements. Next, reliability requirements. Requirements, etc. Say nowadays some are saying security requirements come under non-functional, but as per industry standard, security also functional. Subtype of functional requirements under functionality requirements, security requirements, interoperability requirements, etc. Okay, this is one classification. Preeti. Now I will give the example, Preeti. Okay, na Preeti, any confusion?
No, sir, I'm good. Thank you.
Next, welcome. First I am taking functional requirement. Functional requirement. Functional requirement. Example, in our application, Preeti, observe Preeti, in our application, suppose admin interface, admin user login to admin user login to the application. This is functional requirement or performance requirement? Performance requirement, Preeti.
Functional requirement.
Functional requirement. Observe the example. Admin user log into GCR shop. Just a minute. For understanding, I will provide the URL also, otherwise you may confuse. Admin GCR shop admin interface. This is one functionality. This is functional requirement. Just a minute. Okay. Requirement. Otherwise, leave it. This is functional requirement, Preeti. Next, test scenarios. Derive test scenarios, Preeti. Positive and negative. First,
And
positive only one. I already told. Only one. Admin
valid user ID and valid password.
login. Admin login with valid user. Just a minute. Valid username and valid password. This is positive. This is positive scenario. Positive test scenario. Okay na? Next, we will have several negative scenarios. Preeti, tell me, Preeti, several negative scenarios.
Invalid user ID and invalid password.
Just a minute. Admin login with valid username. Next, invalid password. This is one possibility. Negative test scenario. Next, observe Sirisha.
Sir, here you need to change. Second point, you need to change invalid username, sir.
Why?
Because negative test scenario, right? We are
That
doing.
is one of the negative test scenario. Invalid password is there, then definitely it will fail.
Okay.
What is the problem?
Yeah. No. Got it.
Okay, cool. Next, invalid and
Username
valid.
And valid password.
This is one negative scenario. Next,
Both are invalid. User
both
ID
invalid. This is another one. Suppose if any one field fails, then that functionality will fail. Invalid. This is one scenario. Next, another possibilities. Don't confuse Jyotirmayi. Don't confuse blank username. Next, blank username, blank password, etc. Okay, na Preeti, etc.
Yes, sir.
Now, okay, test case format may vary from one company to another, sometimes one project to another also. I am taking one test case format, test case. Okay, here you create test case for, usually we use, generally we use Excel sheet, or if you use any test tool like Quality Center, in that tool you can find a template. User can customize the template, that is different. Suppose test case, just a minute. Test case ID. Test case ID. What is test case ID? Unique number to recognize the ID. Suppose observe TC admin interface underscore any meaningful 001. Next, test case name. Test case name. Some are saying description. Name or description. What is that one? Admin login. Verify. Just a minute. Verify admin login to the application, okay, with valid input, that is with valid input. Okay, next field, observe Sirisha, test suit ID. It's optional but nowadays important. Test suit underscore. Next, this is suit 1. Just a minute. Suit 1. Next, priority of the test case. We can provide priority also. Priority. What is the difference between priority and severity? Here we don't write severity. In defect report only we write severity. What is the difference between priority and severity, Preeti? Severity based
Priority.
on functionality.
Yes, sir.
Severity based on the functionality. Suppose if it is high severe, it must test. It must clear in this version only. Getting? Okay, Balasubramanian.
Yes, sir.
Suppose priority means business point of
Based on
view.
the
Say,
urgency, sir.
pardon?
Like immediately needs to be resolved, sir. Priority means.
Say priority of the requirement in case of business, customer business. Severity, observe, priority, importance of the test case or defect in case of business, customer business. Severity, importance of the thing, test case or here we don't use test case. Importance in case of
To the functionality.
Functionality. Suppose high severe. Suppose login not working. We cannot deliver this system. Suppose in one address spelling mistake is there. Suppose fourth road mistakenly fifth road. That is not the functionality. But sometimes business point of view, that is also important. Suppose that is customer address. If you print incorrect address, you cannot deliver or you cannot pick up the products in right way. That time spelling mistake, actually in case of severity, spell mistake is cosmetic, but customer point of view, that is high prior. Suppose severity, functionality of the application. For example, login is not functioning properly, high severe. Cancel button is not working properly, medium. Suppose help button is not working properly, low severe. Okay na? Getting the point, Preeti? Priority based on business, severity based on functionality. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Sir, sometimes your voice is breaking, sir. I think it is for me or it is for everyone.
just a
I
minute.
don't
What
understand.
about your side, Sirisha? Can you getting my voice properly or any problem?
It's good, sir.
What about
For me also good.
you, Jyotirmayi?
Okay, sir.
Good, sir. No breaking or anything.
Okay, cool, Jyotirmayi. What about you, Smriti Pandey?
It's good, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay, cool. Welcome. Preeti Joshi, problem from your side. Try to rectify the problem. Okay. Priority.
Okay, sir.
Priority. Next. Precondition. 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 Precondition before going to execute this one. Next, steps to be executed. Steps. Observe for our login. Observe, Preeti. Any precondition is there? None.
Yes, sir.
From scratch, from launching, we can conduct. Suppose add vendor functionality is there. Add vendor functionality is there, Preeti. What is the precondition for that? Guess.
Valid user ID and password.
Precondition. Jyotirmayi, suppose add vendor functionality is there. What is the precondition for that? Admin
Before
login.
that, you need to be existed.
Admin login.
Yes, sir.
After
Admin
login only you can get that page. Admin login is precondition. Suppose
Yes,
login, what is the precondition? None. Why? From launching the browser, we can conduct this test case. Don't confuse Preeti. Next, steps to be executed. Steps to be executed. What are the steps? Guide me. Launch.
Launch browser.
Launch the browser. Launch the browser. Next, enter just
User ID.
enter username. Next, third one,
Enter password.
enter password. Next, fourth
Click
one, click
Click OK.
what is that one? OK or login. Okay. Click login button. Over. These are the steps, isn't it? These are the steps.
Yes.
Just a minute. These are the steps. Just a minute. Suppose if fields are like this, field 1, just understanding. Field 2, field 3, suppose high priority, depends on company. Suppose P0, high priority. Some companies making 3 levels, P0, P1, P2. Some companies 5 levels, P0, P1, P2, P3, P4 like. P0 means high priority. That depends on your company. Suppose your company using any other word, you can follow that one. Suppose in my company we are using P0, P1, P2. In that test case, bottom of the test case, we mentioned P0 means high priority, P1 means medium priority, P2 means low priority like. This is P0 only, login important. Next, this is fourth one. This is fourth one. Next, this is fifth one. Next, this is sixth field. Next, in the sixth one, just a minute, subfields. Now, Jyotirmay, you come for some time. Jyotirmay, you come.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Seventh one,
Yes.
post condition means after execution
Post.
using steps. Post condition.
Yes.
Post condition. What is the post condition for our application, our functionality?
The admin URL should be pop up.
Admin URL, that is different. Post condition, observe. Admin,
After entering, yeah. 1, 2,
just a
3.
minute.
Admin.
Admin
1, 2, 3.
at 1, 2,
1,
3.
2.
Click
Login.
login. Observe. After
Yeah.
this one, you can get index page na.
PHP. Index page.
Index page. In simple words, you can write. Get index page. Just a minute. Index page of the application. Index application. Isn't it?
Yes,
Next, eighth one. Observe, Jyotirmayi.
Yes, sir.
Test case template may vary from one company to another, sometimes
Yes,
one
sir.
project to another. Suppose in my company, we are using 3 or 4 different templates for our projects. Why? Suppose if it is financial critical project, we use lengthy template with all
Yes, sir.
details. Suppose if it is simple project with a simple budget and time, that time we will use 3 or 4 important fields. So no restriction.
Yes.
In some companies, for regression testing point of view, they mention software and hardware environment also. Hardware. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Here you mention hardware configuration. Suppose we are using so and so processor, like hardware configuration. It is optional field, but for regression testing important. Regression testing time, suppose after 6 months or after 1 year in maintenance period, we can arrange the same environment. Suppose software, we are using Windows 7 OS, etc. like this. See, during maintenance also we have to use the same. For maintenance applications, this one is important. Next, ninth one, expected result. What is the expected result? Index page. You know that URL, for example, just a minute. Index page is theoretical. Okay. Next, just a minute, Jyotirmay. This is expected. Next, actual. Observe, observe Jyoti.
Yeah.
We fill this
Yes, sir.
field after execution, na?
Yes, sir.
While execution only we can get actual result. While execution only you can get. After execution only you can fill this one. Next, 11th one, test result. After comparing, if it is manual testing, after comparing expected result with the actual, then decide the test result, pass or fail. If it is automation, tool can provide test result. See, test result. Suppose pass or fail. Just a minute. Pass or fail. Next one, optional one, comments. Suppose while execution, if you face any problems, write comments. See, this is one model template. Next, some companies prepare test data in the same template, but most of the companies prepare test data in another template. Small one.
Yeah.
Test data. Here also you can mention that one. Just a minute. Steps to be executed. For steps to be executed, you require test data, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Test data. For
Yeah,
after that, test data required. Just a minute. Suppose eighth one. Suppose ninth one. 10, 11, 12, 13, like this. Here, for example, refer test data dot xls etc. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Suppose test data username admin, next password. Otherwise, suppose if it is not data driven testing, only simple one, some companies write test data here only, Jyotirmai.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes.
Admin.
Test data.
Admin at 1, 2, 3. Just a minute. 1, 2, 3. Just a minute.
Admin at 1.
Okay, na Vijay Bhairappa, any confusion? Observe. Sirisha, any confusion?
No, sir.
No test data, good for some test cases. Observe, Jyotirmayi, suppose
Yes, sir.
log into the application. Test data is there. Two fields are there. Username, password. Suppose redirect functionality. Redirecting from admin interface to user interface. What is that one? From index page
to
click
user interface.
From index page of admin interface, click. Otherwise, leave it. Otherwise, without any functionalities. Otherwise, observe. This is starting web page, starting page of the interface, Jyoti. Here, if you want to conduct login to the application, admin login, then username, password required. Suppose I want to check redirect functionality. Observe in this initial page, in this starting page only, online catalog link is there. First
Link is
launch the
yes.
browser and navigate to so and so URL, click online catalog, then you can
Catalog.
redirect to user interface, then capture that URL and compare with expected but no input data, isn't it?
There is no test data. Yes, sir.
No test data or input data. Okay now?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Any confusion, Preeti Joshi? Preeti Joshi, raise queries.
No, sir, I'm good, sir.
Okay, and one more thing, Preeti Joshi, give some exam. Okay, this is functional test case. Okay, functional test case. Okay, Preeti Joshi, functional test case. Okay, first observe the root. Observe this root. Okay, as usual, software requirement. Actually, in general term, we use software requirements only for testing, but nowadays more clarity. Test requirements also software requirements only, but testable requirements. Sometimes, suppose in our application all software requirements are testable, then suppose in our application all software requirements are testable, 100 testable, then no difference between software requirements and test requirements. But difference is there in between business requirements and software requirements. Business requirements non-technical, software requirements technical requirements in order to develop for the software system. Okay. Next, relation between business requirements and software requirements. Say system analyst category people derive software requirements using business requirements. Business requirement is the core. Software requirement under this one, test scenario. Okay, one or more. Under this one, test case, okay. For this test case, we use test data also. That is different, not mandatory. Observe here one more classification. Functional requirement, non-functional different. Requirement, functional requirement under this one, any confusion? Smriti Pandey, did you understand this root? What about you, Jyotirmayi? Did you understand this root?
Sir, I got it, sir.
Performance requirement comes under non-functional. Now, Preeti Joshi, can you give an example for performance test requirement in our application?
Sir, this performance requirement I heard first time only, sir. I don't know what is that.
Derive one example from our application. Sirisha can derive it. See, admin login. Suppose functionality over. See, observe. First functionality, then performance. If you test first performance, suppose login not working for single user also, that time no need to conduct performance testing for 1000 user or 10,000 user. First functional, then suppose first per user working, then you can focus on multiple users. Come, Sirisha, admin login to the application. Admin login to the application. This is functional. Okay, admin login to
Yes,
the
sir.
application with here valid only with 1,000 users. Is it functional or non-functional? Performance
Performance, sir.
requirement. Observe. Next, usability requirement. Usability. Admin benchmark also required. Admin login to the application with 1,000 concurrent users. In suppose 8 seconds. Time also important. See, functional testing time, we don't take time. Suppose after entering valid username and password, then it is providing uh, index page. Suppose within 4 seconds or 2 seconds or 10 seconds. We don't bother about that one. But in performance testing, time also important. Time is main. Suppose if it is
Yes, sir.
performing login, okay, but taking half an hour time. Is it correct? No. Okay. Usability requirement. Observe, Sirisha. Usability requirement. See. Fields alignment and font sizes in admin login page, before login, admin login page. Admin login page means before login. Before login. Fields alignment, fields alignment and font sizes. Observe Smriti Pandey. Suppose I am launching this one. Observe Jyotirmay also. I am launching this one.
Yes, sir.
Here left side one message is there, administrator login. Okay. This is just text. Next here 3 links are there left side. Okay. Next my fields in this one, important fields are see, online catalog also having functionality that is different. Okay, here this is also field, link also field. Okay, observe this login fields, username, password, login. First check the alignment, Jyotirmay. First username,
Yes, sir.
okay, then password,
Then
okay, then login,
then
okay. Suppose if developers use first login button, then password, then username, that confusion na, end user may confuse
yes, sir.
na.
Yeah, that doesn't make sense.
Suppose makes sense. That doesn't make sense. Suppose first login button, next username, or next password, next username. Suppose first enter third field, next enter second field, next click on first field. It is working, but
Yeah,
not user
still
friendly. And one more thing,
user friendly.
fonts that sizes also. Observe, Preeti.
Yeah.
Here username. Okay, forget about that font type, but I think same fonts used for another edit box. Suppose One is Verdana font, another is
Calibri.
pardon?
Calibri
Yes,
Times New
and
Roman.
another one. That time confusion, not confusion, not user friendly. Look and feel not good. Look and feel not
Good.
good. Getting.
Yes.
And one more thing.
Yes,
This
sir.
left side also observe. Administration, online catalog, support site.
Site.
All these three links also having same fonts. Okay.
Font.
For example, different fonts, different colors. That is ugly, isn't it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now observe Preeti Joshi. Any confusion, Preeti? Performance test requirement, usability test requirement.
No, sir.
Next.
The username and password.
Only
looking at it, only we can understand, right? Otherwise, we can't check what is the size of both of them, right?
Pardon? Yes. We need to collect the data, test data. Otherwise, you cannot perform. Suppose size of the data, type of the data, etc. Hello?
Yes.
Yes.
So the developer.
Yes, we need to collect the data from developers. Otherwise, suppose for creation facility is there for any user ID password, that time you can create and you can have control on that data. Okay, na?
No, I'm talking about the labels, sir.
Which one
She's
label?
talking about
Which one?
the text.
Username and password label.
Username and password label. What is the problem? Username and
How do we know that they are same?
Just a minute. We need to collect this data from developers. Developers only know the design details.
Yeah.
Just a minute. Preeti, confirm. Don't be in silent mode.
Sir, I'm asking you how we can check the size of both of them.
Size not see usability. Manual is better. Suppose observe manual observation. It is better. Not go to in depth. Suppose username, password, same size of fields or not. Just assume.
Yes.
You no need to check the pixels, etc. Same size or not?
Okay. Yes.
Suppose fonts also same size or not? See, first letter capital letter, remaining letter small letters. After the field name colon, same. Second one also same. Here colors, administration, online catalog, support site, all are white color. But say for usability, for this one, some other non-functional type like this one. Just a minute. Usability. Okay. I will check it one. Usability testing. For usability testing, manual testing is better. Manual testing is better than automated testing. Preeti Joshi. Manual testing is better. Suppose if you follow automated testing, lengthy. Suppose take the sizes in pixels, take the font types. So complex. If it is manual, and one more thing, no impact on functionality. Suppose by viewing these this interface, you can observe. Suppose username edit box off, password full. That time you can complain. You can raise defect. Suppose login button name is ABCD. That time you can raise defect. Say this so and so object name is ABCD, but end user may confuse. It is not user friendly like. Automated testing is some complex for usability testing. For usability testing, manual testing is better. Why? Say human users can judge look and feel aspects than automated user or test tool. Human user can judge look and feel aspects. Any problem, Preeti Joshi?
No, sir, I'm good, sir. Thank you.
And one more thing, observe. Next, one more non-functional type. Last example for the day: reliability. Reliability requirement. Reliability requirement. Reliability. Observe, Sirisha. Last example for the day: reliability requirement. What is the reliability? Suppose in the internet you can find this problem, Sirisha. Suppose if you perform any operation several times, sometimes application may hang. After relaunching, it may work. Hanging application is not reliable. Getting this point?
Yes,
Suppose
sir.
if you perform same operation 10 times, 10 times it has to provide correct output, isn't it? Suppose
Yes, sir.
4 times it is providing, just a minute. Suppose here I am clicking, first time I am clicking, this is one operation, online catalog, redirecting to user page, next back means put base state, again getting, next again getting, like that. Suppose fourth time if you click this one, it is hanging, not redirecting, hanging. After relaunching the browser or after relaunching the operating system, then it is working. That is not reliable system. Getting this point? Reliability.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you perform any operation several times, it has to work. Otherwise, suppose if it hangs, it's not reliable application. Suppose redirect uh, from redirect from admin interface to user interface 20 times. 20 times we have to get same result. This is about reliability requirement. Like, okay, forget about that. Ours is functional testing. Now I'm going to close the today's session. Any queries, Vijay? Any queries regarding this today's session? Vijay, we discussed 7 topics up to test scenarios, requirements, test scenarios, and cases over. Next, derive smoke test cases. 8th one from tomorrow. Any queries, Vijay? Not responding. Jyotirmayi,
No queries, sir. I am good. Thank you.
welcome. Preeti Joshi.
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Sirisha,
I'm good, sir.
welcome. Smriti Pandey,
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
welcome. Okay, we'll meet tomorrow, same time. Thank you.